Welcome back, guys. Quick little video here to show you my setout in this small little bathroom. I've just self-leveled and detraumated the floor, and this was pretty straightforward, to be honest. I've got a nice 33 by 33 centimetre pattern porcelain tile here. Door opens like that against the wall, so for me I'm either coming off the shower tray, the bath or the door here. As the door opens like this, I've picked the shower tray, so basically all I've done is just put a row of full tiles down the shower tray. Then I've seen a bit of work out with a full tile from the door, because over here you have vanity units, so that's all pretty hidden. So I've just budged it all down, done the little cut there, and ditto here on the door. And you can see it will run out a little bit with the door, but it's not massively. It's going to end up over there somewhere, but because it's going to have a little T-bar in there, that's not really a concern there. So the next thing all I had to do really was just make sure it works out across the room to the bath. The bath's obviously got a bath panel on it, and for this one it pretty much works out, if I can show you like this, a full tile. It's going to be somewhere there, and maybe I'll put the little sliver in, but the bath panel should cover it. And then it also works out by luck that this door literally looks centered by coming a full tile off there. So that's basically what I do. I just looked at that. A lot of things work out well, and that's as I always say, the decision I'd make with tile set out. Just find something that works well in a few different ways, and that's all you can really do. Something will never work out perfect, but if you find something that works good a number of ways. I'm square with the shower tray, literally centered with the door, works well to the bath panel, and then I'm good to go. Excuse my cutter in here, so I haven't got much room out here, it's very tight, so my cutter's in here for a moment. But then all I've done, obviously for this row, I just put a level down it to keep them all square with the shower tray. And because it's deep, I just use a marker, and I just draw my line down the tiles. So I can just take them tiles up and then just tile from there, probably tile across, tile back and out of the room, and it'd be as simple as that. So yeah, just a quick little video there, guys, on my setout and how I go about tiling this floor. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.